Today I'm going to show you the warmth and saturation features in Instagram. They're already in the app, and all you have to do is play around with them to get some really cool effects on your photos. They do something similar, but I'm going to show you what they do. So let's get into it. So if I go to warm and you go to 100, you're going to see that it gives us very warm colors, so orange, red, stuff like that, some things that you'd associate with warm. So if you go to the other side, so minus 100, you're going to get a lot of blues, purples, and stuff. These are going to kind of make it so it's kind of feeling cold and stuff. So it's kind of like the temperature slider in Lightroom, for example. So if I go to saturation, same thing. We're gonna get, if you go to 100, we're gonna get a lot of like saturated colors. So you're gonna see all the colors kind of like really in the photo, but this is a lot sometimes. So if you go in the middle, it's generally okay, or a little bit above half. And if you go to the minus 100, you're gonna see that it goes black and white. So that's basically no color at all. So no saturation of color. So kind of just go like that if you want to go in the middle of the minus, and that'll give you kind of like a washout color. So just play around with these and you can get some really cool effects with it. Just use them and don't overuse them. I really hope you like this video, and comment, like, and follow for more. I really hope you enjoyed. Thanks. Bye.